Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how to use Mod Engine 2 for Elden Ring. So firstly guys, in your search bar in Google or whatever search engine you're using, type in Mod Engine 2, go to the GitHub page, into the releases, and you will see the latest release. We will need to grab one that is the latest version, of course, and make sure to grab the latest that is labeled the latest, not the pre-release. These may contain bugs. Okay, let us download it. Download it now. Now basically you can just extract this to whatever place on your computer you want. Okay, I have extracted it. Now let's go into the folder. Alright my friends, and from here it's very simple. So if you want to modify your Elden Ring with mods, you need to go to Nexus Mods. So you just type in Nexus Mods, go to Nexus Mods. After that type in Elden Ring. As you can see, for me it's already, oh okay, it's not pulling up. So Elden Ring, and go to the game section, and after that grab any mode you want. For example, sort by popular. Download the files. After that, let us go back into our folders, and guys, the files you download, you need to put them either into the mod folder inside of your mod engine, or in case of, for example, the seamless co-op that I've just opened up, you just put the files into the default directory of the mod engine. Guys, but before that, you need to copy the Elden Ring executable into the folder with your mod engine, right? So you just find the executable, copy it, paste it into here, and after that, after you installed all the mods, you just launch eldenring.bat, and all of the mods will be loaded along with the game that's going to launch through this bat file. It's very easy, guys. So that's how you use Mod Engine for Elden Ring. Hopefully you like this video. Enjoy, subscribe, see you next time.